Nakuru will be bringing you the latest on that. Moving on now, the world's largest floating book fair, MV Logos Hope, has made a historic maiden call at the port of Mombasa. Now dubbed the Floating Library, the vessel has a selection of over 5,000 different titles of books abroad. Sailing under multi-glag, MV Logos Hope has a length overall of 132.5 meters, width of 20.8, a draft of 5.2 meters, and a carrying capacity of 12,519 gross tons. On board the vessel are 350 passengers of 65 different nationalities. Now, the government aims to vaccinate at least 7 million children